Now I'm going to show you how to deactivate wildcard characters in find and replace. Okay, here what I'm going to do is, you see, I'll show you the example here. In country, I put a star here. Okay, first let me find a star. This acts like a wildcard character here. The star is for all the characters, so it shows all the cells. Okay, 44 cells. Okay, now if I put a star here and find all, okay, this star is also one of them because this is also a character. Same time it is also showing all the cells. But what we want is, we want to deactivate this wildcard character and find only an ordinary star. How to do that? Very simple. What you need to do is, you use the tile sign, tilde or tile sign, which is here. You can see what is the tile sign, which is before your numeric, this one. Okay, before your numeric number 1, before that, under the escape key there is a tile sign. Okay, so you use this one and find. Now you can find only the ordinary star. So whatever be the wild character in the find and replace, you put a tile sign before that, it will lose the wild value and it will become an ordinary character. So you find the ordinary character there. Okay, thank you.